In this lesson, we'll review and improving the sentence problem. It's part of the writing multiple choice. We're on page 472, question 26. Out of 29, we know these get progressively harder, so this is actually a level 5, a difficult problem. Keep in mind, not because it's inherently hard, a lot of students just overlook this error. Mediators were standing by, prepared to intervene in the labor dispute, even though both sides had refused earlier offers for assistance. We have to identify the error, find the mistake here, and I always recommend thinking about what the correct version should be to reinforce the error. So first we have prepared to intervene in. A lot of these advanced questions you want to check to see if the prepositions are right. That would be an idiomatic error, so prepared to intervene in. There's nothing really wrong with that. Even though, so we have contrast, both sides had refused. Now the had is correct here. That's the previous version of the past tense. That would be the past perfect. And remember, there are two levels here. The mediators were standing by because prepared, past tense, even though both sides had earlier refused to negotiate. So we do need the had there. And then you have one preposition underlined just for, and I told you earlier, especially in these advanced questions, I think a lot of students overlook this and select E. But anytime one preposition is underlined or a verb and a preposition, you want to check for the idiomatic error. And these are tough because there's no way you can possibly remember every preposition, correct preposition with every verb. You really have to trust your instincts. And I always tell students to make up a sentence using, for example, offer here with a different preposition or just to test it. Now, an offer you should recognize is something that is given. So you're not asking, like a request would be for, but an offer, and I know this is tough, but it should be of assistance because you are giving. It's something that is offered of assistance. You could make up any sentence and it's always going to take that same preposition. If it were a request, then it would be for assistance, but one preposition, and it's wrong here, it's not for, it should be of. I know it's tough, and that's why it's a level 5, but be wary about overlooking the idiomatic errors on these tough questions toward the end of the section. All right, the answer here is D. It should be of. See you next time. Thanks for watching.